उसको अपने आप करने दो और आगे आइए. हाँ बस. He's come too far ahead. Too far ahead. Anyway. जाइए भैया, आप जाते ही नहीं हैं. Yeah, nice Lloyd. बीच में नहीं है, सेंटर में. Girls, you don't move at all through this. You can't put your hands up on your nothing. Just down, hands down, not behind. Aishwarya Singh. Mix into line-up. Come a little ahead. And go line-up. This is your cue. Back line, come on. Please give gaps, girls. Don't go so fast on top. Give gaps. Look at you, now you're waiting. Wait, girls. Sorry, come back, everybody. Come back, come back, come back. Stop, Nishan. Come back up. Nishan, please stop. Girls, what is the point of you all turning at the same time and then waiting to go down the steps? You got to go 1, then 2, then 3, because you have to walk with gaps as well, right? So whoever, figure out who's the first one to go, second to go, third to go. Please don't be in a hurry. Okay, music please. Line up. First girl, go. Next girl. Next. Oh my God, you guys don't know who you're doing. Kanika, you don't know what you're doing. Kiara, don't turn and wait. Go only when you have to go down. Too soon. Preeti, wait. Now you go. Wait, Reha. Go. Richa, wait. Then tell her, please. Please make sure you stand in your correct positions, guys. This is wrong. You stand in your position. Doesn't matter. Be there. She'll move in a way. Ladies and gentlemen, next up presents Anamika Khanna. Now she's going to take a while to come. Kiara, this line goes this way. And even if you want, you can also go as soon as they cross you and you go and join them on top. So you walk this way and then just join the people. Yeah. Sania, please wait. She's going to go on top and we're going to finish with a big bang. The lights can't be so bright like this. It has to focus on the dancers now. Only on the dancers. She's going to come. And you guys have to figure out when you're stopping. But she should come. There should be some more steps and then finish. So can we just quickly see it? You go a little behind. Little behind. Behind. Yeah. They're just figuring out their steps. Just give them a minute. I need and gentlemen, next up presents AKOK by Anamika Khanna.
Ladies and gentlemen, hope you enjoyed the show. Please follow the COVID safety protocols till you exit the premises. Our staff will guide you to the exit from the show area. Thank you very much.
थोड़ा पीछे कैसे हो सब बढ़िया ऑन सेट आओ आओ ना आहे सच्चा सेंटर ओनली सेंटर की
Shraddha this side? Yeah.
श्रद्धा जी इधर देखिए अभी मैडम जी इधर देखिए श्रद्धा जी विजयनगर
coming back in front of the light. It's also so nice to see you. It's been a while. I think that this pandemic, it's so nice to get back. It's so thrilled to be working for Anamika Khanna. I've been a huge fan of hers, and it's finally happening. And it's so nice to be wearing one of her creations.
Tata Pale.
Light, please.
गया मैडम अभी थोड़ा इधर देखिए ये हुआ थोड़ा इधर देखिए
Suddenly we are in the clouds in Shimla or something.
राजू उधर देखिए
हम करते हैं ना इसके बाद
Clearly, there was a very smoking hot show, Anamika. Good to have you back. Ladies and gentlemen, that for us was the finale of day 4 of FTCI and Acme Fashion Week's joint visual edition. We just witnessed Nexa presents AKOK by Anamika Khanna. I think when we say Nexa and Anamika Khanna in one breath, you know the show or the presentation is going to be creative, innovative and inspiring. And that's exactly what this presentation was. Congratulations both to Anamika, Mrs. Srivastava. So good to have you guys collaborating and back here. I want to first hear from Anamika. What was it like putting this showcase together, collaborating with Nexa and really putting this, bringing your collective ideas to life?
I feel that every time someone gives you a brief that is, do something that is young, energetic, experimental, futuristic, and it's like no holds barred. Obviously, for a creative person, what else do you need? I think that whole challenge of bringing people together was just such a, almost like a surreal experience because we were able to, bring that modernity into our collection, and the same thing goes for them. They were just like, just push yourself. It was really amazing. So thank you so much for actually having me here and giving me this chance. Thank you so much.
We also have with us Mr. Shashank Srivastava, the Senior Executive Director, Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India. Mr. Srivastava, tell us, this is a very quirky presentation. Nexa always collaborates with leading designers. And what did you think of Anamika's presentation and this collaboration?
Well, I think Anamika needs no introduction. She's I think the first Indian woman to have her collection shown at the Paris show, right? And she's in that top 500 list for business of fashion. What I find about her is she's always experimentative. She's sort of exploring that boundaries of fashion in the fluid form actually, and very. Today I thought the color palette was very progressive and almost like without boundaries. So in that sense, it was edgy, experimentative, and that means it had a lot of energy. It had, it was very versatile as well. So I think that matches very closely with the Nexa brand values. This is about creation, about inspiration. I think she did it extremely well, and I'm so happy, Anamika, for that really good effort that you and your team put in. I was also complimenting Shraddha here because I thought she did a great professional job, and she said it's all because she did a practice very well, and so that's great work. Thanks to Rise, of course, for organizing all this. So it's been a great experience. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Srivastava. I think this conversation is incomplete without hearing from Jaspreet as well, Head Rise Fashion and Lifestyle. Jaspreet, Nexa has been a partner with us for season on season. Tell us a little bit about this showcase and just how the partnership is evolving.
So I'm here as a spokesperson for multiple organizations. So on behalf of the Fashion Design Council of India, Rise Worldwide and Latme HUL, we thank Nexa for their partnership at our Fashion Week. Anamika is always fantastic. My team always has fangirl moments whenever she's showcasing with us. Everybody is working lesser and choosing garments more to buy later. So so it's stressful for me. I have to do more work. But I think it's fantastic, and I think from our perspective, it's a perfect marriage, between what Nexa stands for and what Anamika's new, exciting brand stands for. And I think, this is the need of the hour. This type of clothing is something that the world wants. And I think this is truly going to set benchmarks, not just in India, but globally as well. I think that's something that we find fantastic. I started my directorial career with Shraddha in 2017. We were doing a virtual reality short showcase at the ITC Grand Center at one of the Fashion Week shows. It was the first thing that I was doing, and she was there for that. So thank you for launching my career in Bollywood as well. No, but I think it's fantastic. We appreciate long-term partnerships, and that's what Maruti Suzuki and Nexa brings on board. Anamika and us, we go way back, and it's always fantastic to have such amazing, to stand next to such amazing.
Thank you, Jaspreet. And now really coming to the lady who brought the show to a very show-stopping moment for us, Shraddha. I think your entry, you coming in, is the quirky Nexa car, the integration, fashion, and the way Nexa was, you brought it into the show. It was something that was really the show-stopping moment. So tell us a little bit about Walking for Anamika, AKOP's debut here, and just this experience with Showcase.
So I want to say a massive thank you to Anamika and Nexa for having me, because I've been a huge fan of Anamika's, and she's a legend. Everybody knows that. Everyone knows what a huge legend she is, a pioneer, the flag bearer of so many firsts, So it's a massive honor for me. It's a dream come true for me. Tonight I'm going to sleep like a baby, because I think that there are a lot of people who want to walk for Anamika, and I walked for her today, and it feels fantastic. And of course, thank you Nexa as well. Thank you. I felt inspired. I felt my own creative instincts coming out when I was watching the show sitting in the car, and I really enjoyed it. And to be a part of this entire experience has been really special. So thank you so much. And it's so lovely for us to experience this after the pandemic, and yeah, it's a dream come true for me. So thank you, Anamika.
Thank you. I mean, may I just add that working with her has been one of the most, some people just bring positive energy to you. That's what happened. There was no stress, there was no hustling, there was no, it was just, she just brought that energy. So thank you.
Thank you, that means a lot. Thank you for having me.
It's absolutely my honor.
And I think thank you to all of you for bringing us this experience and making us have a lovely evening and giving us a great day for end. Thank you so much. I'm just going to request you guys to have a few photographs, if that's okay. And we'll probably have, we'll actually do 1 or 2 media questions. We'll do that, and then we'll break for some photographs, if that's okay.
सर मैडम जी इधर से एकदम
Shraddha, this corner.
Yes. Center. Yeah.
Shraddha, a small ride if you don't mind.
Right here. Shraddha.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. Thank you. We just have one more. I hope you
We'll be in touch soon. I'm going back to Bangalore. So if you need anything, please feel free.
Just a one bite.